Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you different ways of using building blocks for learning activities. In this video, you will find out that building blocks are not used for making towers only. They can be used in different learning activities like color sorting, making patterns, counting, learning sight words and CVC words, etc. The first activity is number quantity activity. Child is going to stack the blocks next to each number beginning with 1. Place 1 block for the number 1. Place 2 blocks for number 2. Counting is one of the first math concepts to master. This activity helps in the understanding of quantity. Quantity is the concept of understanding how many. This activity is also great for developing fine motor skills and also help to strengthen small hand muscles and prepare for pencil grip. This color sorting activity is a fun way for young children to practice color recognition and sorting. This is the easiest color sorting activity. Here I have wooden blocks and 3 containers. The child has to put the same color block in each container. Sorting helps children develop visual perception, reasoning, and problem-solving skills. Next, I have a fine motor activity. I have used an empty food container and made an opening on the lid. And I have these blocks. Simply child's gonna put these blocks in the container. This is good for hand-eye coordination and for fine motor skills as the child is putting blocks through the container. You can also practice counting. Another thing we gonna do is learn about letter L. L is for Legos, and here I have mini Legos, so we gonna trace the letter L with these Legos. Another activity that you can do with blocks is patterns. For this activity, I have been using an empty container and make the pattern of blue-red blocks, and child has to follow the same pattern below. This activity is great for home or preschool with 3-year-olds to school-age children. It's a fun way to learn about pattern making and sequencing. This next activity is a spatial awareness activity. It's a copy activity. The child is going to copy the same pattern. This is a great activity to develop logic, critical thinking, and spatial awareness. Creating a pattern requires intense focus, so this will sharpen your child's ability to concentrate for longer periods of time. Picking up and moving the small pieces will develop fine motor skills. Moving the Legos and placing them in the right spot on the grid will sharpen your child's hand-eye coordination and also improves problem-solving skills. This simple building block activity for kids is a great way to learn new sight words. For this activity, I made some sight words flashcards. You can make this super simple sight word activity with any kind of building blocks and Legos at home. Using a marker, I wrote individual letters on the single blocks, then wrote the word on the longer blocks. Your child's gonna pick up any card and then look for the letters written on the card. Once he found the letters, he had to work out how to put them in order correctly. This is a hands-on way for your children to practice reading and spelling their sight words. This building blocks sight word is an engaging and entertaining activity that your kids are sure to enjoy. In this next activity, I have made some letter Lego blocks. I made these CVC word cards and write letter on the block. Join the blocks to make words, just change the first letter and new word is formed. This is fun, hands-on way to practice early reading and writing skills. These letter Lego blocks are perfect for practicing CVC words because you can easily change around the letters in a word. The last activity is CVC word family sorting. For this activity, I chose 3 different word families and write those words on the blocks. You can lay out one word from each word family on the table and read each headword like dig, fan, and jog. The child one by one picked up a Lego word from the container, placed it under the matching word family. I hope you like the ideas and activities that I had for you today. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.